Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by placing the console near the TV and connecting HDMI and power. This gives video and stable power. Next, pair your DualShock 4 by pressing the PS button and plug it to charge briefly so it won't die mid-setup. Once connected, join your Wi-Fi or plug in Ethernet and sign into PlayStation Network. This lets you download updates and games. After that, move to System Updates so the console runs reliably and you can access online features. Once done with sign-in, you must update system software. Go to Settings and run the update. This provides performance fixes and online compatibility. Then install games, insert a disk or download from your library, and monitor progress in notifications. Make sure to manage storage by deleting unused apps or moving data to external USB storage, because full drives slow installs. Finally, adjust display and audio to match your TV and sound system, and set power options so you finish by launching a game to confirm controls, audio, and cloud saves sync correctly. This verifies everything works end-to-end. Make sure automatic updates and periodic backups are enabled so you don't lose progress. PS plus cloud saves or an external drive work well. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Power off, hold the power button to boot safe mode, then try rebuild database or install the latest system software. These steps often fix freezes and corrupted data quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.